is the quickest thing I've ever experienced from an acceleration aspect. It's, it's unnecessary. The car for what it is, but also the satisfaction of having something that shouldn't be that fast going as quickly as it does. One of the key factors of the car, I suppose, is that I've pretty much done everything myself per se. It's only more recently that I've utilised other people. So previously I've painted the car, done all the fabrication and conversion for the gearbox, built the engine, done all the wiring, everything you can think of really, any suspension changes, brake upgrades, everything's kind of been engineered and fabricated myself. More recently then, for the cage, I enlisted HDF Motorsport to build me the cage, just because it made sense. Actually, that's what they do for a living, and it's safety critical, so I gave him the recipe and he produced it. And more recently, the only other factor that's been done by someone else is the ECU calibration or mapping, and that was done by Mark at Abbey Motorsport, which has been A1. High boost, 590 wheel horsepower and 450 pound-foot. Low boost power, 550 at the hubs, torque 420-ish. When I first got the car, it was completely standard. With the Zenki, it is one of them cars that in OEM original spec, it's not the most attractive, but it has all the right ingredients, I think. So what I looked for was a bit more of a clear-cut kind of style of body kit, which is the Vertex Aero. A lot of people actually ask what that is. Modernises the whole car, which is the whole direction I've kind of gone with the car. I've spent a lot of time considering the best balance for keeping the vehicle usable on road, but also, comfortable on track. The cage was one of the considerations, basically, for ingress and egress, getting in and out the types of door bar, and the V in the cage gives me good observation and visibility in the rear view mirror. But also what I've made sure I've kind of kept is, I've kept all the HVAC and whatnot, so you can still have your cozy toes in the winter months. And also what it helps achieve is, on a wet or damp day, you don't get the interior steaming up when you're on track. So the interior, I've spent a lot of time considering the best balance for keeping the vehicle usable on road, but also, you know, comfortable on track. The fine balance that I've been looking to achieve is that GT3 spec feel to the car, so the car can be used on the street comfortably. So there are some MVH bits and bobs to reduce transmission noise around the tunnel. And the carpet's still in there, the dash is still in there. I've still got all the HVAC for, you know, being comfortable. But at the same time, there's a compromise of I've taken a fair amount of weight out of it, so you still get that sensation that when you drive it, it's an event. Vehicle weight is 1,280 kilos with a full tank of fuel and all the aero attached to it. Power to weight ratio is over, I think, 550 horsepower per tonne or something. Future plans or aims, hopefully be competitive in the UK Time Attack series, which I think if you're quick enough to be competitive in Time Attack, you've got a quick car. So that's got to be one of them. But just enjoy it, drive it as often as possible, keep smiling.